Are you looking for effective strategies to help your students with academic vocabulary? Then the full-day professional development workshop, 3 Steps to Review and Master Academic Vocabulary with ELLs is just for you. Through hands-on and interactive activities, you will learn how to infuse cultural relevance into the review and mastery of academic content, how to create engaging activities that promote higher order thinking and the mastery of academic vocabulary across the curriculum, tips for using interactive notebooks to improve retention and support visual literacy, ideas to implement gamification principles to solidify academic language and assess comprehension, how to use free multi-platform technologies through hands-on experiences that encourage problem solving and the acquisition of academic language. This is an open invitation to all teachers, especially teachers of English learners, teachers of students at risk and Title I schools, instructional specialists and coaches, lead teachers, bilingual, dual language, or ESL directors, curriculum directors, and specialists. All participants will receive access to printable, ready-to-use material for the classroom. To fully benefit from this workshop, please bring your tablet computer or mobile device. For more information, visit enablinglearning.com.